the electric appliances that we chose is a electric kettle. It has a power of 1000 watts and a voltage of 230 volts. So first we need to get the current before the total resistance. So we need to get the current by simply the formula of I is equals to P over V, where P is the power and the V is the voltage. So we simply substitute the given numbers. So I is equals to P over V, where P is equals to 1000 watts and over voltage given 230. So we can get the current is 4.35 ampere. So when we have current, we now get the total resistance by simply the formula of R is equals to V over I. We simply divide voltage by current. Then the given voltage is 230 volts. We simply divide it by 4.35 ampere, which is our current. Then we will get 52.87 ohms, and that is the total resistance of the electric kettle.